Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help, guys. So, for today, we are featuring Gumroad. So, Gumroad is an application where you can sell your products and services at the same time. So, for this video, I'm going to show you how to sell your products on Gumroad and how to navigate through Gumroad very quickly. So, upon creating an account, either using your Gmail account, your Facebook account, or by creating your own account on Gumroad, this is the interface that you're going to be faced with. So over here, you have your balance. So your balance is technically for payout. So if you already have accumulated some money or uh some earnings that are ready for checkout, this is where you are going to be able to see them. As you can see here, total earnings. So this is your total earnings. And then from here, you can also create your first product. On the left side, these are your tools that you'll need for upon selling your items. So here you have your products menu. So this is where you'll go if you want to select a new product, or if you want to have an affiliated product, or if you want to be an affiliate, or you want to collab. And then here, again, collaborators. You can share revenue with people who had helped you create your product. So let's say that you are a team, right? You are the main inventor of the product, or you're the main you're the brain behind the product, and but there are people who helped you. You can add them here as a collaborator. That way they can help you in managing your account in Gumroad, or in managing the products that you are selling on Gumroad. And at the same time here, you can manage your earnings, or how you will divide your earnings. Next, here you have your checkouts. But for this one, since we don't have a product yet, I can't show you that yet, but maybe in the future videos. But here, as you can see, you can create a checkout form right here for discounts, recommendations, tippings, and other things. And another cool part here is the emails. So here, it's actually really cool because this is like a business email for you. You can send your customers some scheduled emails so that if you have like updates for your products and services, then definitely you can send them here. You can also see if you have any subscribers for your page or for your items. And then here you have a workflow. So yeah, it allows you to schedule your emails, send scheduled emails to your audience, and yeah, it allows you to create some kind of a plan for your business. And then, of course, there are sales and analytics right here. And of course, the payouts, as we saw earlier. You also have here your discovery page. Here in discovery page, you can see what other people are selling. So, for example, here we can see some packs here for motion design, FX, A- AI tools here, transitions. So there are a lot being sold here on Gumroad. You can filter them up based on their price, their ratings, and whatnot. So you have your firms, you have music and design, you have others, you have 3D here, you have designs here. And yeah, so most of the things being sold here are, of course, for what do we call this, for digital marketing. But there are also some cool stuff here, like here you have fiction books. So if you're good at writing novels, or if you're good at creating stories, then definitely you can sell them here, like what you see right now on the screen. And yeah, so now let's see how you can sell your own product. So here, from the main interface, go to products, simply select new product right here. What kind of product are you selling? Is it a tutorial, an ebook, a membership, or a bundle? So let's say we're selling a tutorial, right? Click on customize. So let's name our product, let's say Mandarin lessons, Mandarin basic, Chinese language lessons. That's what we'll be selling. Next, click on customize, and then the price range, of course. So there are different price ranges here, but it's not yet widely available to every country. So let's just stick with the US dollar. So let's say $5 for this Mandarin or this language, Chinese language lessons. Let's describe the product. uh, it's an audio. Let's say it's an audio book where you can learn how to speak basic Chinese. You can also add in images or videos if you want to, and of course a URL. So as you can see here, there's already a URL created for us, joshfire017.gumroad. And then you can also add in your custom domain here, and then of course the cover. Then you can add your own cover here if you want to, and then just save changes. Then from content right there, create your content here, what you want to sell, enter the content you want to sell. So let's just say basic Chinese greetings. Say that. How to say, how to introduce yourself, how to introduce other people. And then here, let's say, um, how to, for Chinese numbers. And from there, you can go on share. Oh, you can publish and continue. Then from here, you can automatically either unpublish or save your changes. And that's it. So you can copy the product URL, you can share it, you can copy the checkout URL as well, and share it with your friends or family, or if you have like a following on social media, you can definitely share it there. And yeah, basically that's how you can create, a Gumroad, or how you can sell your products or services at Gumroad. It's very easy, not much of a not much technicalities to go through. So if you're interested in selling your items, or if you're selling your skills, definitely Gumroad is the application for you. Make sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any other videos only here on Tech Help Guy.